Good evening from the state television of Finvetta. We announce to our great people, with hearts filled with sorrow and gratitude, the passing of our historic leader, Marshal Aurelio Varkov, who guided our country with wisdom and firmness for 50 consecutive years. Under his rule, Finvetta moved from being a small, forgotten nation to a state with a recognized name and weight. Airports were built, railway lines stretched across our land, our streets filled with buses carrying millions of citizens every day, factories rose to build our national economy, and a strong army was formed to protect our borders from constant foreign ambitions. In honor of this exceptional journey, Finvetta State Television is broadcasting tonight a special documentary that records the most important achievements of Marshal Varkov, from his assumption of the presidency until his final days, so that his contributions remain alive in the memory of future generations. We now leave you with this documentary on the life and work of the man who built modern Finvetta.
In this historic year for our beloved Finvetta, the eyes of the world turn once again to the visionary leadership of our eternal guide, Marshal Aurelio Varkov. For 5 decades, the Marshal has carried our nation from the mud of uncertainty to the firm, paved road of order and stability. When Marshal Varkov first assumed his sacred duty, Finvetta was a scattered map of villages and forgotten stations. The iron veins of our land pulse with life. The Great Coal Railway network stretches from the northern mines to the southern harbors, uniting workers, soldiers, and families in a single rhythm of progress. These mighty steam trains, powered by our own coal, do not simply move passengers. They carry the pride of a nation that refuses to depend on anyone, a nation that trusts the strength of its own smoke and steel. Every whistle that echoes across our valleys is a reminder that Finvetta marches forward, at the precise speed that our Marshal and only our Marshal deems wise. In the skies above, another triumph bears his name, the Finvetta National Airways Fleet. With its powerful 4-engine propeller aircraft, now connects our capital to distant cities, once reachable only in dreams. Their spinning blades carve our flag into the clouds, proving that true modernity is not measured by noise and fashion, but by reliability and discipline. Each takeoff is a salute to Marshal Varkov. Each landing is a promise kept to the people, that no citizen of Finvetta is beyond the protective reach of his guiding will. While other nations chase experiments and risky new machines, our skies remain safe, familiar, and perfectly ordered under the Marshal's timeless doctrine. On the ground, the Marshal's vision shapes every stone and every street. New avenues carry his name, new bridges rise over old rivers, and proud concrete neighborhoods stand as monuments to collective effort and sacrifice. Factories roar from dawn till dusk, crafting not only steel and textiles, but a new Finvettan citizen, disciplined, loyal, and forever grateful. Children in our schools grow up under his portrait, learning the simple truth that has guided us for 50 years, that one firm hand on the wheel is better than 100 trembling ones fighting over the map. They recite his speeches, study his plans, and know that their future is safest when it follows in his footsteps. Tonight, through these rare and precious images, you will witness the Marshal at work, inspecting the coal locomotives that carry our hopes, blessing the mighty propeller aircraft before they rise into Finvettan sky, and greeting workers who offer him their labor as a voluntary tribute of love. You will see parades, factories, and shining new housing blocks, all bathed in the same steady light of his leadership. This is not merely a record of projects and numbers. It is the living story of a man who gave us his life to protect us from chaos, doubt, and dangerous foreign ideas. As long as the trains keep moving, as long as the propellers keep turning, and as long as the people of Finvetta stand united behind him, Marshal Aurelio Varkov will remain not just our leader, but the beating heart of our history.
Dear viewers, you have just watched a selection of the achievements of Marshal Aurelio Varkov, whose name is tied to every major project our country has seen over the past half-century. We understand that this moment of farewell is difficult for everyone, but the institutions of our state are working without interruption to guarantee the continuation of the stability that our late leader left behind. We ask you to stay tuned to our broadcast, as an important announcement will be made during the coming hours here on Finvetta television concerning the next steps to preserve the strength of our state and the unity of our people in this historic and delicate phase.